Enjoy your favorite barista-quality espresso and coffee drinks at home with the Cuisinart Espresso-Defined fully automatic espresso maker. From flavorful espresso to foamy cappuccinos and lattes or rich coffee, it has never been easier to craft delicious hot beverages, all with a single touch. Utilize the bean burr grinder to brew the freshest coffee and espresso right at home. Adjust the brew spout, and you can either brew a single cup or up to an 8-cup carafe for entertaining. Use your favorite pre-ground coffee or espresso to prepare delectable pick-me-ups with ease. The Espresso Defined is fully programmable and can store up to 4 user presets for effortless customization. Intuitive touchscreen controls allow you to program each feature of the espresso maker, from brew strength and temperature control to programming the auto shutoff. And cleanup is a snap with the automatic clean feature and integrated waste container. The Espresso Defined is equipped with a 48-ounce water reservoir and features a quick reference guide built right into the unit behind the removable drip tray. Enjoy maximum freshness and superior flavor in every cup. Bring out the barista in you with the Cuisinart Espresso Defined.